Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to remove WhatsApp account from other devices. So if your WhatsApp accounts using from other devices, don't worry, you can easily remove your WhatsApp account from other devices in just few steps. First of all, go to your WhatsApp and tap on this three dot, tap on linked devices, and here you will find all of your linked devices or other devices using your WhatsApp account. Now just tap on the device and tap on logout, and your WhatsApp account will be logged out from the device. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.